He had a very simple brief. He wanted to replace an aging lead pack. He also wanted to try and increase his solar production because his panels were about 10 years old. They don't produce as much, so he was looking at a solution for that. Alistair is pretty switched on from a math perspective, and it was a no-brainer for him. We decided to do it in multiple phases, so we put a set of panels on to keep him going in the interim while we worked out a larger solution to replace his existing panels. That has now moved forward, and what we have done is we do have a plan to replace all of those panels. We also got Alistair to put on an automatic start generator. He is limited to filling the generator with fuel and getting it serviced, but other than that, everything runs like clockwork. We do get the odd phone call from him to have a chat or to ask us a question about how he could potentially do something different or if he wants to run something differently. But overall, I'd say we've gotten a pretty good solution that's worked for him, and he's happy with that.